प्लाजा प्लाजा ਤਾਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਯਾਰ 9 ਮਿੰਟ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਯਾਰ
ਪੁਟੀਨ ਬੜੀ ਘੱਟ ਆਈ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ
ਤੇ ਪੁਟੀਨ ਇੰਨੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ
ਯਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਡੱਬਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੈਗਾ
So good morning from Montreal. So today's date, what's the date today? It's June 11 and right now it's 6:54 a.m. So I'm thinking now I should start vlogging in English. So today we are going to our job and I'll show you what we exactly do there. अभी हम वहाँ जाएंगे और बताएंगे आपको कि क्या काम करते हैं हम अपनी जॉब पे. Let me lock the door first. I think I took everything. So I took everything. Now we are going to the lobby. So I'm inside the lift or reception and meet with everyone. Now I'm outside and that's the car I'm talking about. This is Harjot's car. Me, Harjot and Sanam Bhaiya, we are going to job place and I think others left. We are left behind. So we are in the car and we are moving towards the side. I'll see you there. We reached our site and this is our site where we are working right now and we are going inside. First I need to put this vest and helmet on, then I'll do some vlogging inside. This is our building which we are demolishing right now and it's everything is like removed, so there's a fall hazard. That's why we wearing these hard hats. Tavleen, you wrote the time? I'm not recording you. I'm just recording myself.
What's the date today?
11. Have you seen these two guys in the previous vlogs? This one? What's your name, bro?
ਜਿੰਦਰ ਬੋਲ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿੰਦਰ
Jinder. His name is Pabi Jinder Kaur. Who?
My name is Sanamdeep Singh.
Sanamdeep Singh. Where are you from, man?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
India.
India?
Indian Miran Sahib
Mira Sahib?
nearby Talimor.
Near Talimor?
Yeah.
Besides the symbol camp?
Yeah.
How far is from the symbol camp? You don't know? Okay. That's what it is we do on the job site. Like fun and chill, but lots of work we do here. You see all this material, we like on the other side we install these materials to bid, but right now Amazon is shut it down in Montreal, in all the province of Quebec, so we are removing all the materials like these conveyor belts, all these paddings and this A-safe for the like fall protection of the skates and material which comes from the other sides or the factories. So it is what it is, and my particular job is like to remove all the signs. Not remove all the signs, I have to install the signs, but right now this facility is shut it down, so we are removing all these signs, all of these. Like there are these signs, those signs, you can see the green one, the blue one. So I already removed all the signs, but these are left, so today I'm going to remove these signs. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I use this particular machine for my job, like for signage work, and this is part of me. Yeah, he's a wire management lead, so his job is with the wires. My job is with the signs. I put in my machine on the charge yesterday, and now I'm removing the cable so we can start this machine. But before this, in Canada you have to inspect your equipment and machines every day, otherwise you will kicked out of the site and totally banned from the site. So I'll go inside and grab the inspection form, then I'll fill it up, then I'll switch on it.
¡Ay, sabroso! Dale tumbao, Tony. ¡Ay, qué rico, rico! ¡Camina! ¿Cómo dice mi coro ahí? Ah.
Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao.
La verdad, juega, juega.
Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao.
Sabroso.
Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao.
Bueno, mira. Oye, ya saben lo que está pasando. Que con la...
So hey guys, right now I'm working on site. So this street from Cavan side. So guys, we are working in YUL 2. Right now it's so tiring here because I'm working continuously. So here's Harjot. He's going to have a blueberry muffin. Cavan brought this. They're really nice guys. Oh, he's my coach. He's coming. He really likes muffin. Yeah, the muffin guy. So Kevin is also have some roots in India. His ancestors from India. And his original name is Meva Singh. Kevin Meva Singh. Yeah. Have some muffin, what's up? So it's a treat from Kevin's side. Yeah, these are the fun things on sites, and I'm recording it. क्या फिर से बोलो?
कैसा लग रहा है मक्खन खा
के? रो पड़ेंगे भाई साहब अभी। नहीं, एग ਹੁੰਦਾ एग ਹੁੰਦਾ मफिन से।
ਉਹ ਭਰਾ ਐਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਅੰਡਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਅੰਡਾ।
वही अंडा।
ਕਈ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅੱਗ ਸਾਲਾ ਵੈਜੀਟੇਰੀਅਨ ਆ ਮੈਂ
कौन कहता?
ਬੜੇ ਲੋਕ
You can see that how much work we did today. So when we came here today, like we are in this site from last week, but when we came here today, there was stuff here, and now all the stuff's gone. See, such a hard-working guy, and he's a tattoo artist too. So bro, so buddies, I introduce everyone, but this guy, the most hard-working guy in our team right now, his name is Inderpreet Singh, and he did. See, the girl behind the camera, I don't want to say anything.
¡Ay, qué rico, rico! ¡Camina! ¿Cómo dice mi coro ahí? Ah.
Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao.
La verdad, juega, juega.
Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao.
background there's too much noise because I'm not using any kind of mic. Huh? Oh, she's inside the... So Tavleen is inside the car and we have to lock the car, but she's not coming out of the car. So it's very difficult, you know. And see this guy, he's the real boss. And meet this guy, his name is
Seguimos hasta el amanecer. Seguimos siempre de la verdad. Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. Ey, sabroso. Juega, juega bonito, juega con el.
So guys, it's almost 11:52 and our break time is over, but our food is not finished, so I'm taking my food with me in the car and I'm gonna eat this in the car because only 6 minutes left for the break and we have a 5-minute drives to reach our site. And I'll eat this in the car. तो ये खाना मैं गाड़ी में खाऊंगा क्योंकि हमारी ब्रेक ख़त्म होने वाली है और अभी ब्रेक ख़त्म हो जाएगी तो यार हमें जल्दी पहुंचना भी है, 5 मिनट है साइट पे पहुंचने के लिए, तो ये मैं गाड़ी में खा लूँगा. That's it. We are back from the break and now we are heading towards the desk where Yogi is sitting because we have a meeting there. Maybe some kind of extension of work or I don't. So I got a new task. I have to remove all the signs all the way down and not before that I have to finish the stickers inside that room. So I'm going into that room and after that I'll go to the other side all the way down and start moving those flag signs or the signs on the conveyors. That's it. That's the job I do. And one more thing, the time flow in Montreal is very slow. Like in Toronto, we just went to the site and like 8 hours pass. But here you have to work like 18 hours and you feel like oh. But here in Montreal you work like hell, but time is, oh, it's only 2 p.m. You're gonna wait 1 more hour. Bullshit. Our job, we are back to our hotel. Now it's right now, the time is 3:35. You can see that, oh, sorry. You can see that it's 3:35 p.m. right now. And we just came back to our hotel. And guys are chilling here. Wait. One car is still waiting for this car to be parked and then we'll go to our rooms and we have a plan to like dive into the pool. So we plan that we'll go to the pool, but I think I have a great idea. I'll take the drone out and we'll shoot through the drone and make a nice video. Everyone's ready. I'm in my shorts right now and everyone is in their shorts. See रंग बिरंगी निक्कर. भाई ये देखो, मुझे किसी ने बताया कि GoPro वाटरप्रूफ होता है, लेकिन मैं पानी में नहीं डालूंगा इसका. लेकिन वो देखो, ये जल पड़ा मेरे पीछे आ गया यार. ये तो मगरमच्छ निकला. ये देखो भाई, सबसे बड़ा मगरमच्छ है. धीरे आया भाई, मेरे पीछे आ रहा है ये भाई.
Como dice mi coro ahí, juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. La verdad, juega, juega, juega.
ya saben lo que está pasando, que con la orquesta ya llegué. Escucha bien mi tumbadito tan sabroso, porque tiene su caché. Escucha el bajo, baila y el güiro, escucha el piano y el tres. Juega con mi ritmo, bailadores, seguimos hasta el amanecer. Seguimos siempre.
Juega bonito, juega con el tumbao.
¡Ey, sabroso!
Juega bonito, juega con el tumbao.
Siempre con mi tumbadito.
Juega bonito, juega con